Hey guys! So, today's method will get you paid for every single click on this new website that is not only new, but also completely free and available all over the world. As always, I will show you step by step on how to do this. And somewhere in this video, I will be sharing a bonus tool that will automate everything that you can possibly earn from those clicks. So, I want you to stay with me until the end so that you won't miss out on important details. In order for us to start, you will need a gadget such as a laptop, a computer, a tablet, or a smartphone. Second, you'll require an internet or Wi-Fi connection. Third, you must know how to click. And I think all of us knows how to click. If you have all these three skills, you will be able to complete this task. But before we dive into the video, welcome to Mr. Mac Money, where we teach you the latest tips and tricks to help you make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you'll always be updated whenever we post new content like this. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions. Now, let's get back to the video. Alright, first allow me to demonstrate. Anyone from anywhere all over the globe may join this website and start earning money in minutes. And you won't have to sell anything because you'll be paid per click for absolutely free. People will not have to sign up for anything at all, nor they will have to spend any money. All they have to do is click. This one is the easiest way to start making money online, especially when you combine this with the next website I'm about to show you, which you can combine to get those clicks and incomplete autopilot so it becomes a passive income stream for you. Alright, now first and foremost, let's make this clear. We all have been using Google for a while, and I'm sure that almost all of us use this on a daily basis. Billions of people use Google because this is probably the most popular search engine in the world right now. And Google is completely free to use. We never run out of questions. We never run out of things to look for. And Google is there to help us if we have questions or if we want to know something about someone or anything. Google is there to help us out. But today in this video, we won't be using Google because we will be using a completely different search engine, and this search engine is new. This is what we call Entire Web. Entire Web pays you a factor of 20 cents per click because, as you know, Google is a major competitive search engine. They want more people from Google to use their search engine. And since both are free, people would use entireweb.com because it is more beneficial. So I suggest you should jump on this as soon as possible. Once we get to entireweb.com, what we simply need to do is be able to see the three lines on the top right corner when you come over to Entire Web. When we click on these three lines, this will give us all these categories like home, services, free submissions, SEO, ad market, affiliates, directory, advertise, etc. However, there's only one thing you'll need that's going to make you money, and that's affiliate. Now, click on this. Don't let the affiliate keyword scare you because you won't have to sell anything or make people buy anything or even pay for anything. In fact, you'll be paid 20 cents for every click you get on the free search engine submission service. So all you need to do is to convince other people who use Google on a regular basis to start using the internet, and if they click on your link, you'll get paid 20 cents per click, which is insane since 3 billion people use Google every day. So there is a lot of potential here. Even if you only refer 100 people to this website, that's still a lot of passive money for you. It's even better if you refer 1,000 people. And remember, you have a potential of 3 billion people who can click on your link. As you can see, you will be paid every click you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor, which is great. Obviously, you have a high conversion rate because it's totally free and extremely simple. They simply need to start searching the entire web and you'll be paid 20 cents for it. Anyone from anywhere in the world can join, and it's super easy to get started. Within minutes of setting up, you'll be up and running and earning money from your traffic. You'll see how it works. how this dashboard will look for you, and how you can withdraw money from the dashboard. But before we proceed to the next step, I know that you guys come from different countries all over the world, so what I want you to do is comment down below what country you come from so that in the future, I'll be able to make more videos about making money online that will be available in your country. That said, let's go back to the video. Let me show you another amazing thing about this website. You will be paid through PayPal, which means you can earn some free PayPal money for those clicks. The minimum payout value is $50, which may seem like a lot, but you can easily earn $50 with this website and then cash out and spend it on whatever you want. So, it's not $5, it's not as low as the other websites, but it's still great because you can easily obtain the minimum payoff threshold once again. All you have to do is come over to the Entire Web's affiliate program and click on the Create Account button to sign up for free. Now you will need to fill out some information about yourself. You'll need to enter your first name and your last name, as well as your tracking ID. Now, because my YouTube channel is Mr. Mac Money, I would enter my tracking ID as Mr. Mac Money, and then you will choose a username or enter an email address for your account. Once you've done that, you'll be able to fill in more information about yourself. The third step is to simply enter payout methods however you want to get paid. PayPal is not the only option, so don't worry. Once you get to payout methods, you can simply enter your PayPal email address and they will pay you as soon as you reach $50. Now, if you still don't have a PayPal account, you can go over to paypal.com and create an account for free. It is really easy, it's really simple, and you can do it really fast. The fourth step is to simply read their terms and conditions and privacy policy. If you accept, simply check the box. Alright, if so far you liked the video, make sure to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. With that said, let's go back to the video. So, now that we have joined the Entire Web affiliate program, we will now begin earning money for each click we produce. The registration procedure should not take more than 60 seconds. No, it won't take you a minute and you won't have to wait to be approved or anything. You'll be able to log into your account right away. The entire process takes less than a minute, and once you log into your Entire Web account, this is what you'll see. Here are your campaigns, and here on the left is the homepage where you can actually track your clicks and the amount of money you have made. Since this is a brand new account, it will obviously say 0 clicks and $0. But once you start getting clicks, this will change and you will start receiving money, which you can then withdraw by clicking on my profile here. You can then request a withdrawal as soon as it gets to $50. So to begin receiving those clicks, you'll need to first grab your affiliate link, which will be at the top of this page and will say your affiliate link, which you can copy because whenever someone clicks on this link, you'll be paid 20 cents per click. So basically, you're referring people to Entire Web where they can start earning money. But for now, to shorten your affiliate link, go to bit.ly.com. Bit.ly is a free link shortening service. So paste your link here in this box and click on shorten. So now your link will look like this. It'll be short and it'll look very nice, and then you can now start sharing it with others to get those clicks and start making money. You can share your link on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Reddit, or wherever else you want, and that will definitely get you some clicks and earn some money. However, if you want to set this up on partial autopilot and potentially reach millions of clicks, you'll need to follow the strategy I'm about to share with you. So to start with this strategy, I want you to go over to Google Docs, and that's over docs.google.com. Again, docs.google.com, and create a blank document where you can write something briefly and create a call to action for your special bit.ly link that'll take people to the Entire Web to your affiliate link, which is connected to the Entire Web. Is that clear? So if that made sense, let's continue. So we'll have to write something, right? So for example, I'm gonna write, check this new and free search engine called Entire Web. And then I'm going to paste my affiliate link right here. It's important to leave your affiliate link so that people can click on it. And I'll also add the lines, try it in seconds and inform me whether it's really better than Google or not. This is only one option, okay? You may create your own call to action, your article, and your script. That might even work better. So this is just an example. So this one right here is really basic. So once you've finished writing your script and article, I recommend you to click on the file button right here and save it to your computer. I'll click the download button and save this as a PDF document, which you'll then need to upload to slideshare.net, the last website we'll be visiting today. According to SimilarWeb, over 100 million people visit slideshare.net on a monthly basis. We'll be sharing our Google Docs article that includes our affiliate link, our entire web affiliate link, so you can get those clicks on autopilot. Because as you can see, SlideShare is used by over 100 million individuals. There are a lot of people reading those articles on slideshare.net, especially because it's completely free for them. So you'll need to sign up by clicking on the sign up button right here. Once you've signed up, simply click on upload right here and then select files to upload. After that, select the PDF document, and once it loads, give a title. For example, is this better than Google? Then the next thing you'll do is type a brief description. In the description, you can also add your affiliate link. That way, you'll have a better chance of getting noticed. Now select a category. Choose a category from the list and set the privacy to public if you want everyone to see it. You can also give it different tags such as Google search engine, free, and so on. The more tags you give, the more people will be attracted. Lastly, hit publish and you're done. Now you have the potential to reach over 100 million people with this article, allowing them to see and try entire web for themselves. You will then be paid 20 cents for each click that you generate. 100 clicks equals $20, 1,000 clicks equals $200, and then 10,000 clicks equals $2,000, all for free. All they have to do is click on your link and begin using the free search engine in the same way that they use Google, and you will begin to earn money. Millions of people are using slideshare.net. You will then find millions of people on the internet willing to try entire web since they don't have to pay for anything. It's something that they can do every day, and this search engine benefits you so that you can make money as soon as possible. And that's it! If this video helped you and if you like it, don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, and don't forget the notification bell. If you have further questions about this method, make sure to comment down below and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!